Welcome to our deep dive into Optus 5G Home Internet, a new generation internet service provider. Optus 5G uses the latest 5G technology to deliver high-speed internet directly to your home. This service is designed to offer a robust alternative to traditional broadband, aiming to provide more consistent speeds and a reliable connection. Let's explore this promising technology and see how it can revolutionize your internet experience. Optus 5G Home Internet has several remarkable features. It offers unlimited data, removing concerns about data caps. The service boasts high peak and average speeds, ideal for heavy internet use. Optus 5G also provides a dedicated home gateway, which includes a 5G modem and Wi-Fi router, ensuring strong, reliable connectivity within your home. Moreover, installation is free and typically non-intrusive, with Optus handling most of the setup. Optus 5G home internet is priced competitively. For $90 a month, you get unlimited data with expected download speeds of 50 to 100 Mbps and the potential to reach up to 1 Gbps in some areas. This price includes the 5G modem and installation. There's also a month-to-month plan with no lock-in contract, providing flexibility. Please note that availability and speeds may vary based on your location. Optus 5G home internet is perfect for several use cases. It's ideal for heavy internet users, such as gamers, streamers, and large households, thanks to its high speeds and unlimited data. It's also a great choice for those who work or study from home and need a reliable, fast internet connection. Moreover, with no lock-in contract, it's suitable for renters or anyone who might move house frequently. There are several advantages to Optus 5G home internet. The high speed and unlimited data make it ideal for heavy usage. The included 5G modem and free installation make getting started easy. There's no lock-in contract, providing flexibility. Plus, Optus has a wide 5G network coverage across Australia, making the service accessible to many. Despite its benefits, Optus 5G home internet has some limitations. Coverage is not yet nationwide, meaning some areas can't access the service. Speeds can vary based on location and network congestion. There's also no landline included, which could be an issue for some. Finally, the $90 monthly price could be high for some budgets. In conclusion, Optus 5G home internet is a robust and high-speed internet service, ideal for heavy usage. Its unlimited data, fast speeds, and no lock-in contract make it a strong contender in the market. However, coverage limitations and variable speeds might affect its suitability for all users. It's crucial to check service availability and potential speeds in your area before committing. Optus 5G home internet offers unlimited data with high speeds, making it suitable for heavy internet users. It's priced at $90 a month with no lock-in contract, offering flexibility. However, the service isn't available everywhere and speeds can vary. It's essential to consider these factors when deciding if it's the right choice for you. Optus 5G home internet is a promising technology that could revolutionize your internet experience. While it has its limitations, its benefits could outweigh the drawbacks for many users. As always, it's vital to assess your individual needs and circumstances when choosing an internet service provider. Thank you for joining us in this deep dive into Optus 5G home internet. We hope you found this information helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech analysis videos. Stay tuned.